अस्सलाम वालेकुम। लेसन प्लानिंग में लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग की एक्टिविटी यानी अल्फाज साजी की मश्क के बाद बारी आती है ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज की, यानी कि कवायद की। हमने बात की थी कि जो सबक पढ़ाया जा रहा है, जो चैप्टर पढ़ाया जा रहा है, उनकी लेसन प्लानिंग की जाती है और उन्हें स्टेप्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है। और अब तक हम इसके काफ़ी स्टेप्स पे बात कर चुके हैं। तो आज है हमारे पास ग्रामर, यानी कि ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइज को आप क्लास में कैसे करवाएंगे। जितनी भी ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइजेस हमारे पास मौजूद हैं, तमाम ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइजेस को पहले वर्बल और फिर रिटन कंप्लीट करवाया जाएगा। यानी कि जितने भी कवायद के कॉन्सेप्ट मौजूद हैं, उर्दू में हमारे पास कवायद की सरगर्मियाँ हैं, उन्हें आप समझाते हुए पहले बोर्ड पे या ज़बानी हल करवाएंगे और उसके बाद आप उन्हें रिटन कंप्लीट करवाएंगे बुक्स में या कॉपीज़ में। ग्रामर को करवाने का, ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइज या ग्रामर के कॉन्सेप्ट को समझाने का सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका ये होता है कि हम ग्रामर के कॉन्सेप्ट्स की, कवायद की डेफिनेशंस ना रटवाएं, यानी कि उनकी तारीफ़ें ना रटवाई जाएं, बल्कि तारीफ़ों के बजाय, डेफिनेशंस के बजाय उनकी एक्सरसाइजेस पे काम किया जाए, एग्जाम्पल्स पे काम किया जाए, उस कॉन्सेप्ट का जो ग्रामर में मौजूद है उसका इस्तेमाल सिखाया जाए। तो बआसानी आप ग्रामर का कॉन्सेप्ट बच्चों में डेवलप कर सकते हैं, समझा सकते हैं। तरीका यही होगा ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइजेस करवाने का कि तमाम ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइजेस को, कवायद की जो मश्क शामिल हैं, उन्हें आप पहले ज़बानी बोर्ड पे लिख के बच्चों के साथ बातचीत के ज़रिए उसे हल करेंगे और उसके बाद आप बच्चों से कहेंगे कि अब आप इन्हें अपनी किताब में और अपनी कॉपीज़ में कंप्लीट कीजिए। और जब आप वर्बल डिस्कशन कर रहे हों तब बच्चे के पास कॉपी या किताब खुली हुई ना हो, बल्कि पूरी क्लास की तवज्जो आपकी जानिब यानी बोर्ड की जानिब होनी चाहिए। शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you today? Right, do you remember the story? You do. Good. Now, who can remember? Very good. House of Allah. Now, we have grammar. So please open your book to page number 18. Well done. And you'll see sentences. Can you see the sentences? And otherwise, look at the board. Good. Now, we have to rewrite these sentences. So, as you know, capital letter is part of punctuation. We start with a capital letter and end the sentence with a very good period, a full stop. ऐसा ही हुआ जैसे कि हम बात कर रहे हैं, भाई कानों को भी आराम चाहिए, चुप। तो ये चुप होता है full stop. Okay, so we start everything with a capital letter. So your name will start. अगर आपका नाम अहमद है, capital A. अगर आपका नाम ज़ैनब है, capital Z. My name is Miss Shireen, capital M for Miss and capital S for Shireen. And then suppose you make a sentence, my teacher is Miss Shireen. My, capital M, teacher is Miss, capital M, Shireen, capital S, full stop. Okay, so like that we have here sentences that we need to do. So shall we start? Good. Let's see. The king was bad. Very good. The, capital T, king. Good. खास होता है ना. Although he was bad. Was bad. Full stop. Good. I will go to Islamabad tomorrow. Who can tell me? I, capital, good, will go to Islamabad is why, capital? Because it's a city. शहर का नाम है. Very good. Tomorrow, full stop. Well done. ये तो आपको बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. Let's do the next one. One at a time. Yes, would you like to tell me the next one? Very good. Ahmed, capital A, and Ali, yes, are good friends. Full stop. Excellent. So, the period is a small dot. Okay? Like the house of Allah. Full stop. The cat is playing. Full stop. Now, can you see this? Page 20. Look at the board on page 20. We have to rewrite the sentences. The hen is muddy. Capital T and full stop. Very good. Well done. Next one. Good. We went to the zoo. Capital W and full stop. Well done. Next one. My ears hurt. Capital M, hurt. Full stop. Well done. Next. The kittens are playful. The kittens are, capital T, playful के बाद full stop. Well done. They won the game. Capital T and full stop. Ahmad is my friend. Capital A, full stop after friend. Well done. I live in Karachi. Capital I, live in, capital K, full stop. Well done. Now, you all know how to make questions. Do you know how to make questions? Yes, you do. Well done. So, how are you? Where are you going? What is your name? So, can you see how we need to make questions? So, who wants to swing? Question. Is it time for school? It is time for school. Full stop. Well done. The boy wants to swing. Full stop. What time is it? A question. Did you see the aeroplane? A question. Where is my mother? A question. I fell and got hurt. Full stop. Well done. So why am I doing this? You know this. Okay, we eat lunch. Oh, sorry. I fell and got hurt. Very good. Full stop. We eat lunch at 12. Full stop. When do we eat lunch? Question. When do you go home? Question. Can we go to the park? A question. Well done. Now listen to me. Have you understood this? A question. Do you need more exercises? A question. You can do this very well. A statement, full stop. Well done. So now you know the questions and the full stop, where they go. So what I want you to do, please, for self-task, rewrite this in your books, take a screenshot, send it to your teacher. Okay? Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, children? Good. Remember yesterday we were doing? Yes, grammar. We've got some more. And this time it's prepositions. Place. Like I am sitting on a chair. And look, the book is in front of me. Okay? And look, the number 1 is near the zebra. Number 1 is near zebra. And look, the book is lying on top of another book. Look, the book is lying on top. Can you see this? The book is on top of another book. So these are all prepositions. Samjho? Position words. Okay? You are sitting near your mummy. Okay? You are sitting near your friend. I can see you are sitting behind the... Very good. I can see you're sitting behind the table, because in front of the table your sister is sitting there working as well. You are sitting behind her. So ये सब prepositions हैं, position words. Okay? Good. So let's start. Open your book to page 22 or... Good. Look at the board. Now, we have to match prepositions to the position of the rabbit. Ye rabbit. Can you see the little rabbit? Good. Rabbit is on the box. Good. Now, the next one. Rabbit is under the box. Good. Rabbit is in front of the box. And rabbit is... Where is he? Think. Beside. Well done. Pass. Look. These two books are beside one another. एक दूसरे के पास हैं. Okay? Good. So, the rabbit is sitting beside the box. Now, this one is easy. In between. Well done. दो डिब्बों के बीच में. In between. Good. The last one. The rabbit is behind. Well done. Good. So let's do the other one. Choose the preposition and fill in the blanks. In, on, under, by. Now, the chick is in the box. Well done. The chick is on the box. Very good. In, under, on, ऊपर. Right. The chick is under. Well done. Under the box. And the chick is by the box. Well done. You seem to have done very well. Good. Now, tell me, shall we do some more prepositions? Okay. Supposing we have... Yes. Shall I do this once again? All right. 1 minute. Look at the board then. ये rabbit देख रहे हैं आप? ये rabbit डिब्बे पे. अब ये डिब्बे में कहाँ है? आप बताएं. ऊपर खड़ा हुआ है. ऊपर को क्या कहेंगे? On. The rabbit is on the box. ऊपर, on the box. Good. Don't worry. That's why I'm here to help you. Don't worry. Now, the next one. ओह, इसमें देखें. Rabbit कितना strong है. उसने box को क्या किया है? उठाया हुआ है. And he is standing. Very good. जब उसने कोई चीज़ उठा ली तो वो उसके किधर है बताओ? under. Very good. Look, ये मेरा हाथ है. Can you see my hand? Good. This is a book. Where is my hand? My hand is under the book. Now look, my hand is on top of the book. एक और चीज़ दिखाऊं. यहाँ मेरा हाथ ऊपर है, यहाँ मेरा हाथ नीचे है. बीच में क्या है? Very good. The book is in between my hands. मेरे हाथों के बीच में क्या है? किताब है. Well done. The book is in between my hands. My hand is under the book. Good. So, कौन सा नहीं आया था? By. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. ये नज़र आ रहा है? Now, the pencil is by the marker. Okay? I'll do it on something you can see very well. Okay. Now, I have a marker and I have a pencil. The pencil is by the marker. Well done. So, आप ये करें, write it again, send it to your teacher and she'll be very happy. Okay? Bye. Assalamu alaikum boys and girls. How are you today? We've got your favorite thing today. What is it? Yes, creative writing. So please open your book to page 23. Very good. Well done. Now, look at the board as well, please. Can you see this board? Good. Now, we have a little sentence here and we're going to try and see what the words are. Let's see together, shall we? One. Good. One. Excellent. One. Good. Day. Well done. The. Sun. Good. Was. Good. And then देखो blank. यहाँ क्या रखेंगे, लिखेंगे? Now look. Jumping क्या है? Jumping, कूदना. Jumping. और ये अल्फाज क्या है? Shining, चमकना. Shining, चमकना. Very good. So, एक दिन सूरज कूद रहा था या चमक रहा था? Very good. Shining. Very good. So what are you going to write there? What are you going to write here? Shining. Excellent. Now, let's read. A dog was a dog sleeping or reading? कुत्ता क्या कर रहा होगा? सो रहा होगा या पढ़ रहा होगा? Very good. Well done. He was sleeping. Great. And a hen was, hen क्या कर रहा था? पी रहा था या खा रहा था? Eating or drinking? Tell me. Very good. He was eating. Good. अब वो क्या खाते हैं? बाजरा या दाने, grains. दानों को क्या कहते हैं? दाल हुई या बाजरा हुआ तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? Grains. Good. Right. A cat was coming or writing. Cat आ रही थी या लिख रही थी? आपको क्या लगता है? The cat was coming or writing? Very good. The cat was coming. Good. अब क्या होगा? What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. The hen saw the cat. The hen saw the cat and screamed. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. ऐसे आवाजें निकालने लगी. Help! Help! Oh dear. The bad or good dog? कुत्ता जो था वो अच्छा था, फ्रेंडली था या बुरा था? Good dog. Yes. Why was he good? Very good. He was good because he helped the hen and saved her from the cat. Well done. That's brilliant. So, just tell me, the bad or good dog? Tell me. The good dog helped the hen and saved her from the cat. Very good. So, this is what you have to do. You're going to look at the video again and again. If you're not sure, look and find out what happened. Jumping, कूदना, shining, चमकना, sleeping, सोना, reading, पढ़ना, drinking, पीना, eating, खाना, coming, आना, writing, लिखना. So, what and good and bad आपको पता है. So, what you have to do, boys and girls, is write those words in these blanks. Take a screenshot, send it to your teacher. Okay? All right. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum children, how are you? आपको याद है आपने कल क्या किया था? Brainstorming and drafting. आज हम उसको sequencing में करेंगे. All right? So, now tell me, who can tell me what was happening in the story? Open your book to page 23 again and good. Look at the board. Now, what did we see? One day what was happening? The sun was, one at a time, जी चमक रहा था. इसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहा था हमने? One day the sun was, try, shining. Well done. One day the sun was shining. बहुत खूबसूरत शुआएं निकल रही थी. Shining. Okay, good. Then a dog was. Now, what was the dog doing? Who can remember? One at a time. Good. Yes. Sleeping. Well done. Why was he sleeping? Very good. It was a hot day and he was probably tired, so he was sleeping. Very good. Well done. Now, what was the hen doing? Hen क्या कर रहा था? Good. The hen was eating his grains. The hen was eating grains. Very good. फिर क्या हुआ? All of a sudden कुछ हुआ था. अब मुझे तो याद नहीं क्या हुआ था. आप बताएंगे. I think hen grains खा रहा था तो उसके गले में अटक गया था. फिर उसने किया तो पानी पिलाया किसी ने. ऐसा नहीं हुआ? ओह, फिर क्या हुआ? Tell me. Wow, well done class 1. You know it very well. मुझे तो याद भी नहीं रहा था कल का. आप बता रहे हैं. Very good. So, the sun was shining and the dog was sleeping and the hen was eating grains. Good. What happened next? Yes. Very good. A cat was coming. Where was the cat coming? Was she coming to the market or was she coming to see the dog? Hello dog, how are you? No. So what was she coming to? Yes. Very good. Billy hen को खाना चाह रही थी. Good. इसको कैसे कहेंगे? The cat wanted to attack the hen. Very good. So, what did the hen do? Very good. Well done. The hen said, help, help. And what happened? Very good. The dog woke up from his sleep. क्या है? कौन शोर मचा रहा है? And what did he see? Yes, he saw the bad cat was coming to attack the hen. So what did the good dog do? Very good. He probably ran after the cat and saved the hen. Good. Well done. Very good. So, did you write all that? What did you write? Tell me. One day the sun was shining. Very good. Then what happened? Very good. A dog was sleeping. Good. What happened next? A bad cat was. उससे पहले कुछ हुआ था. Before that, सोचो. Yes, a hen was eating her grains. Very good. And then what? A bad cat was coming. Very good. Then what happened? The hen cried out, help, help. And then the good dog saved the hen from the cat. Well done. Well done. So, what you have to do is rewrite these sentences, take a screenshot and show them to your teacher. Okay? Good. Allah Hafiz.